So if you've just got an iPhone 16, or you know somebody that's got an iPhone 16, or you're waiting for your iPhone 16 to arrive, this is the video for you. Now in this video I'm going to show you probably the best bang for your buck when it comes to a strong tempered glass screen protector that is super easy to install on your phone. You don't need to go out and look for somebody to install it. I'm sure you can do this one by yourself. But before we get to that, my name is Almir, aka Mr. H Tech. On this channel we make tech simple, and if you like tech video and tech content, especially iPhone content coming soon, do remember to hit that subscribe button below and like the video if you like it. Let's get into it. So the screen protector I'm talking about today is by ESR. It's their ESR Tempered Glass or Ultra-Tempered Glass screen protector. It's their Armorite series. And not only do you get 3 separate screen protectors in here, you also get a very, very good easy installation tool. So no longer do you have to look for someone or pay for someone to install your screen protector for you. Now you can do it all by yourself. And for $18, that is such good value for money. Whether it's just for yourself and then you have 2 screen protectors as a backup, or you've got 2 friends or family members that are getting the same phone, you can split the cost between yourselves and everybody is happy. Now links for this will be in the description box below, as well as a possible discount code. So do check that out if you want to grab yourself one. And I'm also going to show you how to install this on your phone. So hopefully you find this video helpful. So let's check it out. So here we've got my iPhone 16 Pro in white titanium, no screen protector on there yet. And we've got the GoPro over on the side just to give a different viewing angle if it is necessary for you to see better. And here we have the box of the screen protectors. And inside, this is the actual easy installation box that you get here. So inside we get a squeegee, we get some bits of paper, some wet wipes and dry wipes, and I believe there's going to be dust removal stickers, which is the usual stuff. Yes, dust removal stickers. We've got that cleaning cloth and wet wipes. Now, because the iPhone 16 is quite new, there is some fingerprint smudges on there, so maybe even just be okay to use the cloth. I might not even need the wet wipes. I just think the wet wipes are good if your screen is very dirty, if you've been using it a lot and there's a lot of oils on there. But for me, I haven't actually used the phone yet, so that is pretty clean. And then you get 1 screen protector, 2 screen protectors. So these 2 are separate, and what I do like is, although they're separate screen protectors, you still get that installation lip and pull tag on there. Sometimes before in other brands they would just give you a screen protector and you'd have to put their own lip and pull tag on there, but now you don't have to mess about with that, hence the easy installation. So it says place your phone screen facing down, and then you're going to pull this pull tab, close and hold the cover firmly while pulling out tab. So we're going to place the phone, I assume, like this, close it, pull the tab, and then we're going to press here so it applies pressure on the screen, and it should apply the screen protector all the way around. So, and then peel this off. So we do have a little bubble there, but that is what the squeegee is for. All it does is a little bit of pressing it to the side, and go around the edges a little bit. Sometimes you do get these bubbles underneath, but they're just because it hasn't adhered properly, and then pressing it down, holding it down fixes the problem. So that is installed. So you can see how easy that was. Perfect screen protector installation, no bubbles, no dust underneath, no nothing, and it goes up to the edge of the phone. So like I said, if you want to grab yourself one, links will be in the description box below. Super easy installation, so don't be scared anymore about installing a screen protector on your phone when you've got this kit by ESR. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and like the video if you found it helpful. Share it with your family and friends who are also going to be in the need to know how to install a screen protector on their new iPhone 16 Pro. Catch you on the next one.